Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new formulation of the Realgood Cauliflower Crust Pizza. I've got a couple of different pans. This is one of those ones with the holes in it. I'm going to cook both of these at the same time. Couple of things. Supposedly this new crust is supposed to be more crisp than the previous crust. Also, they've actually got the the directions printed correctly on the box now. So it says 16 to 20 minutes as opposed to previously, which was not nearly enough time. On the previous one, I cooked it for 19 or 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do 16 just in case this new crust is totally different. So I'll be back in 16 minutes. See you then. Alright, so this is like, I want to say 18 minutes in. It's very interesting. I went ahead and flipped these at about 15 minutes or so, because this one obviously was cooking up more. It's got that nice crispy cheese. This one was on the other side, so anyway. I had it on convection bake, so that might also make a little bit of difference, but it's interesting to me that it kind of spilled out over the edges. You're supposed to let it sit for a minute, cool for 1 minute, but I gotta say, they were saying that it was crispy, and if you see, it's bending a lot, so that's making me a little bit hesitant to believe that that's actually the case. The cheese ran off this one pretty good, where it didn't run off the other one. So I like me some crispy cheese, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. But we will let it sit and cool for a minute, and then we'll cut it up and try it out. Alright, so let's cut these up. I will say this, it did firm up more than I expected it to, on this one at least. It's not bad. It's better than it was, that's for sure. Okay, it's a much better texture. Still not crispy. But it's a significant enhancement from the previous formulation. That's good. It tastes different than the previous as well. It's less cauliflowery, but it still has like some extra I'm having a hard time coming up with the right word. It still tastes kind of, I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of off just a little bit. Certainly not bad. It doesn't have that yeasty kind of flavor. In some ways, I kind of wish that it had more of that, kind of that heartier flavor. This has kind of got that, it's got a little bit of the sulfury taste that you get out of cauliflower or broccoli or whatever, but it's not, certainly not bad, and you can tell, I mean, this is significantly better than the previous kind where it was just totally floppy and whatever. Huge improvement. Huge improvement. So, good on you, Realgood Foods. You definitely upped your game. This is getting into the 8.5, 9 range now, to the point that even if you're not on a low carb diet, I mean, I could totally see like a normal, quote unquote, normal person eating this and not hating it. So definitely worth checking out. If you haven't tried it yet, get the new kind. So yeah, till next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.